Page 184, Rhythm Trainer. It's just got some studies dealing with 16th notes, different patterns. Now there's 3 lines here, 3 different pieces, studies, etude thingies, each 1 line long. If we look at them, you'll see their sequence are going up. They're all going up. It's like here, we have here these notes at the beginning. And here, here, here. Got the same pattern of notes going up, called a sequence. We like to finger each pattern the same then. And we're going to do it with thumb here. Thumb. We could go down 3. Whatever. And the left hand is 3. Same. That's all we're doing. You should go down, really. You should go up. Once you get there, you should go down. Or, I don't care how you end it. Technically, you should go up and down. Good practice. Here, it's the rhythm. 1-E-enda. 1-E-enda. 2-E-enda. 3-E-enda. You don't really have to count it like that. You can go 1 and 2 and just know where the 16th notes are. 1 and 2 and 3 and. Like so. Yeah. The second one is same notes, same pattern, but a different rhythm. 1-E and 2-E and 3. Or 1 and 2 and. 1 and 2 and 3. How fast you go is up to you. Just keep it steady, even. The last one, they're all 16th notes. It's a pattern. Here, same pattern. Again, you should go back down. I would encourage you on all 3 of these, go up and back down both. Do both. But the last one is just straight 16th notes. 1-E-enda, 2-E-enda. And understand that you're only counting to get the rhythm. Once you have the rhythm, you don't count it anymore. You feel it. So these 16th notes at the bottom, you're just feeling these. They give you accents at the beat. Remember, when you're dividing beats up like this, each beat gets a natural accent. Well, they're telling you to accent it, but again, they don't need the accents there. You could just feel it. You would do it. Drop the wrist a little bit on them. Drop the wrist a little bit on these. Let this do this. I'm not going to do play with me's on this. You can do these all right. If you have any questions, let me know. But this kind of a thing, they give you dynamics. But in my opinion, you should practice this at all the dynamics. I mean, they've got you gradually getting louder if you start soft. And that's fine. But again, go back down where you're getting softer. Go back to practice this getting louder and softer in the dynamics and all. That's fine. You see the word legato on all 3 lines. Legato means connect them. In other words, we don't do staccato. However, just to practice, play around with it, you could do them all staccato. It's good practice. It's good practice. Bum, 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 bum. Yeah. I'm not going to do play with me's on these. You can do these. Let me know if you have any questions. It's entirely up to you on how fast you go. Just keep it steady. And you could actually do all 3 of these as one thing. Just go right on through them. But again, I encourage you to go back down. Go up and then go back down. Let me know if you have any questions.